Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Dainty Bite. Today we're making an easy spanakopita using puff pastry. Stay tuned, it's so simple. If you're intimidated by filo dough, this is much easier and quicker. Let's make it together. Here I have 1 pound of baby spinach, the packages that are triple washed and ready to go. I gave it a rough chop. Now I'm adding a generous amount of feta cheese. I also added freshly grated mozzarella cheese, about 1 generous cup, and I'm also gonna add whole milk ricotta cheese. You drain very well before you add on top of the spinach. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh dill, 1 small shallot, add 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, salt and pepper, but you're not gonna add too much because the feta cheese is already salty. Last but not least, you're gonna add 1 egg and mix the whole thing very well. I would let the mixture sit for 15 minutes and use a cheesecloth to remove excess liquid. Otherwise, the puff pastry will be a little soggy at the bottom and you don't want that. You can also use a strainer or your own hands to remove any excess liquid. Now for this amount of spinach, you can make 2 whole pies. So you'll need 2 packages of puff pastry. Each package has 2 sheets and you'll need 4 sheets. You're gonna stuff with spinach very generously. Make sure to poke the bottom layer with a fork. Add the top layer and you're gonna glue everything with a little bit of an egg wash. Secure with a fork and brush the egg wash all over the top. And if you're still enjoying the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new upload. Make a slit or 2 in the middle and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's golden and crispy. And look at that, so easy but so much flavor. I highly recommend you give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appetit!